So for anybody listening in on the YouTube recording here, we're going to be hosting an Azure static website. The end state is going to look like this, which is a static web app hosted on Azure, and it looks like this. The URL is going to be here, and then a few things here. It's home, about. I haven't posted my achievements, but a portfolio is going to redirect over to my repository, and then my blog sends it over to the link for my website, and starting off with that blog, and then we have a contact me, which I'm not even sure that works. And work in progress is this visitors thing, which I do want to give credit to Rashad, which created this. So a lot of the work was taken from his repository and branched off.
But what if I want to have my own GitHub? I don't know nothing about GitHub.
Okay, sure. So if
do I need to have GitHub to be able to do this?
Yes, you're gonna need that. Which it's not that crazy. So if you want to go ahead and start, we can start there. So just head over to github.com and create yourself an account.
Okay.
If you'd like to share your screen, that'll make things easier for me to.
Okay.
All right, and just for typical laws and things like that, just let me know if you're okay with me recording this, since I might be posting it. Perfect. Okay.
I'm trying to share my.
On Discord, it's a little bit weird, so you'll see it here. I don't know. Oh, perfect.
Can you see my screen?
1 second. Okay. Go ahead and sign in. Otherwise,
I think I have an account.
Perfect.
Yeah, this is my.
This looks like so. Just go to GitHub.com without going to a specific repository.
I think I have some little stuff here.
Oh, perfect. That's good.
I think I was doing copy and paste from somebody's GitHub, but I'm not sure if I'm doing it right.
No, you got stuff in here, so you're doing something right. So let's do something. Do you have? Sorry, are you from the what is it the Ontario meetup?
No.
Oh, okay, I thought I met you.
I was supposed to go, but something came up that day, so I did not come.
Okay, I wonder if
you AWS Ontario's meetup or the summit, whatever, that happened recently.
No, I haven't gone in months.
Okay.
It was over in like March or something, or June maybe. I don't even remember.
Maybe the one I'm talking about is like what I think it was in the last month, the AWS Ontario meetup.
Okay, well it's one like the what is it called? It's this one over here. They have a Where are they? Anyway, there's a meetup in Ontario. What is the name of it? I'm drawing a blank. It doesn't matter. But I'm pretty sure I met you in person. I recognize your voice.
Okay.
Anyway, so here's what we're gonna do. Do you have VS Code, the application? It looks like this.
No.
So let's go and are you on a Windows computer?
Windows, yeah.
Okay, so go to chocolatey.org/install. I'll send you the link.
Say that again, please.
One second. /install. So what you're gonna do is, can you see my screen?
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna see this screen, and then copy this, where it says copy.
Okay.
Go to terminal, and then run as administrator.
Okay.
Click yes. And then if you can share your screen out the application, because I couldn't see much here. It just says your stream is paused.
Oh, you want me to share my screen, right?
Yeah.
What's the name of the domain, the site?
The site?
Yeah, the chocolate walk.
I put the link in the comments, right here.
Okay. Oh, where's this?
One moment here.
Class and okay. Can you see my screen now?
Let's see. Still loading for me. 1 second. No, I can't see it yet. I'll
What about this? Let me answer. Let me share, okay?
Okay. When you're
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can. It's because you're click here. It looks like you're doing something else. So you gotta click here, and then click that.
I can't see your screen anymore.
Oh, I had to take a screenshot to show you what I mean.
Okay. Yeah, I clicked on share screen.
You clicked screen, not applications.
Can you see it now?
I can see the application. Okay, well, let's try. Scroll down.
Down.
Yeah, scroll down. It says 1, how to install, and install individual use, so keep scrolling down.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Now click copy. Now,
Okay.
I won't be able to see it because you're just sharing your application, but
Pause. It says pause.
yeah, because you get look at the screenshots I sent.
Can you see it now?
No. Yes, I can. You're only sharing your browser, not the screen. Can you stop share and then look at the screenshot that I sent you?
Okay.
Okay, and then click screen share. And do not click applications, click screens.
Screen share, yeah?
Yeah, screen share. And then where it says select something to stream off of. Let me know when you see that.
What are you streaming?
It should be something like that. So it should either be applications or screens.
It said also share application audio.
Did you click screens?
Yes. Screen share.
Are you sure you clicked? Can you tell me what you see?
I can see what are you streaming. And it says class in seasons. I'm sorry for frustrating you.
No. Look, because you see right there, you see on the top left, it says applications. Okay, you should see like a little picture of a dinosaur at the very top.
At the very top.
And then you should see screen share. And then
I can see screen share.
And then you should see select something to stream and have your friends grab a seat. Do you see that?
Yeah, select something. Yeah.
Okay, and then on right under that you see applications.
Yeah, see application on screen and capture device.
Now click screens.
Okay, screens, okay.
And then click screen 1.
Yeah.
And then click that and click go live. Perfect.
Wow. I'm sorry.
Now it's all right.
Let me. Can you see?
Yes, I can see now.
Okay.
Okay, click copy. Click the windows. No. You need to do terminal or PowerShell. Perfect.
PowerShell, right?
Yep. Run as administrator. Okay, so what we're installing is a package manager. What this is going to do is install things much faster than you could normally do going to the website and doing it that way.
Okay.
So go here, right click. Yeah, just right click right there. Or Control V, whichever. Okay, copy it again on the chocolatey.org/install. Okay.
Okay.
Press enter.
Done.
Perfect. So now we're going to go to chocolatey.org/packages.
The same sites, right?
Correct. So instead of install, put packages. Perfect.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Press enter. Just I understand, or I don't know how to get rid of. It's just annoying to me. Anyway, Go to the search right there. Scroll up. Search packages or get suggestions.
Right here.
Correct. Type in type in VS Code.
VS Code.
Victor Sierra. Victor Sierra Code.
I'm sorry.
Victor Sierra. S. VS.
Code.
VS. So like Victor and then the letter Sierra. Yeah, VS Code. That first one. Press enter.
Enter, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, copy that where it says Choco install VS Code.
Okay, this one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, go back to PowerShell. Right click. Space. Minus.
Wait, damn.
No big deal. Just press Y and then enter.
Y, right?
Correct, yes. Okay, so this.
What are we doing right now?
We are getting this. You see this icon here? This application.
Seems like I can't see your own screen. You can only see my screen.
Oh, okay, hold on. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay. So we are installing this here.
Okay.
This right here is going to give you everything you need to control your repository.
So basically, after doing all this, I'm going to have all this in my GitHub.
Yes.
Wow.
And then you can show that off to recruiters. You can put your resume there, and you can just put that in your resume.
Well, basically, yeah, I'm still new to IT. For example, if I'm trying to get I want to be like a cloud. Is there like an entry level for a cloud?
This is what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
So this will give you a lot of. This should take at most 3 hours, and then it's going to look impressive to recruiters that you're able to deploy a static web app that you even know what that is.
It's just web app. Is web app a website?
Yes.
Okay. Well, how much do you think it's going to cost me to host my websites on Azure like this?
I'm only picking projects that are either really cheap or free.
So I can deploy these freely on Azure?
Correct. Yes.
Wow. I don't know.
Say that again?
I never knew that it's possible to deploy something on cloud without no paying. I thought they charge money.
Well, they give you a little taste, and then you're like, oh man, maybe I should pay the $10, or maybe.
Yeah.
So this project, yes, is 100% free.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna make you an account. Could you DM me your email address?
Okay.
Now I'm gonna stop recording for a moment.
Okay.
Okay, I hit resume. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I can hear you.
1 second, my Discord app disappeared on me.
Okay.
Okay, sorry about that.
Okay.
Welcome to the class. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Hey guys.
Hi.
So right now we're setting up the Azure tenant so you can deploy. I don't know if you have an Azure account. Otherwise, I can make you an account now if you want to send me your email address.
Can you show me the URL again?
For portal.azure.com.
Yeah, that one. Thanks.
Perfect. Okay, so get started. Learn new cloud skills.
What?
Oh, it's saying how do you plan to use? It'll be the fourth option down.
Okay, this one.
Yep.
Okay, next.
Yes, next. Skip.
Okay.
Okay. Go scroll down. Subscriptions.
Subscription.
Yes. Click Azure Labs.
I'm sorry, what do you say again?
Click Azure Labs.
Labs. Azure Labs.
We're in the dead center.
This one, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Close that blue thing. Okay, so go to what's it? Settings.
Go to where?
Settings.
Settings. Okay.
Scroll down. Oh, perfect. Resource groups.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so what is a resource group? A resource group is just what it sounds like, a group of resources. So go ahead and click create.
Create.
Where it says resource group, we're going to pick a name for it. So what do you want to name it? We can do like RG dash Robert Golf.
RG.
Yeah, RG Robert Golf minus sign. And then whatever you want. You can put Cyber Hero or your name or Ezekiel or and then dash and then WUS.
WUS.
Okay, and then region, we're gonna put it. Where do you think we're gonna put it? Go to region.
Say that again.
Click the region drop down.
Region.
Yes.
Okay.
Where do you think we're gonna put it? If we named it WUS.
WUS. This one?
Yeah. We can do it. Put it there. That's fine. Okay. Next is tags. Review and create. And then create. Okay, now head over to your resource group that you just created. You see it in the dead center right there. Perfect. So now we are going to create something.
Great, right?
But first, let's. I think VS Code should be done. We're going to need that to start the project. So go to your Windows Start button. type in Victor, or it's at the top actually.
Oh, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, where do I have to go to create a project?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Where do I have to go to create the project?
To create the project? I put a link in the over here in the class in session. So it's gonna be over here. Build your first static web app.
Where?
I'm not even sharing my screen.
No.
Right here. So click class in session, open chat. October 3rd, today at 5:56 p.m. Build your first static web app. And then just let me know when you've gotten to that point.
So just follow the instructions on the build your first static website, and that's it.
Well, I've also taken something else from another. One second. Where is it? There it is, finally. So this guy used a lot of different templates, and I like the templates he used, so basically eventually it'll look like this. You can either fork from this, but you're also going to need a few other things, which is
You're not showing your screen right now.
Not.
I mean you are, but I can only see the Discord.
Oh. I'm not sharing my screen, just the application. Okay. How about now?
Same?
You still can't see it?
No, I can't.
No, I think you have to click on his I don't know, maybe you're looking at mine.
Yeah, you might be looking at his.
I think he's looking at mine.
Oh, no. You're moving your mouse. You just there you go. Now I'm seeing vanilla JavaScript app. Whose screen is that?
This is mine.
Okay, there you go. Now I see.
Okay, so eventually it'll look like this, and this can serve as to post your portfolio and things you've done. You could do things like this, but for me, what I've done, instead of hosting a portfolio like that, I just linked it to other things that I've done, my GitHub repo. And then I have a blog, which it heads over to my site, and then tech blog. And then, not sure if this even works, but it has contact me, and then you can click. No, I need to fix this. I'm not, as you can see, I'm not a dev. You can click download resume, and then it'll show up here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Hey Chris.
How's it going? Thanks for joining.
Yeah, I just realized it was 10:30. I'm like, oh, I think it started.
Yeah, so I am having Ezekiel here. Do you mind me calling you Ezekiel, or do you go by something else?
Yeah, that's my name, Ezekiel.
All right. So you have VS Code up. So let's open up VS Code again.
The VS Code.
Right there. So click branch on the left-hand side, which is the third icon. You see the VS Code icon at the very, very, very top left. Right there. Up. Right there. Click. Down. You're looking for source control. One more.
Enter this.
Under the magnet.
Oh, this.
Download Git for Windows. Open. 64-bit Git for Windows setup. We could do this in Chocolatey, but I'm not sure if it has a good version of this. Git.
Next, right?
Yes, next. And then feel free to share your screen as well, and I can switch off from each one of you guys if you guys want to get started on this.
You want me to close my screen?
No.
To stop.
No, I'm saying for Johiro and Cypher if they want to share their screens, and then I can just switch.
Is it fine if I don't have a resume ready?
Yeah, that's fine.
I can just put a random doc as a holder. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's just so that you can lay down the foundation for yourself. Click next, Ezekiel.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
Next. Next. Next.
Next.
Hold on. Next. 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 Yeah, I think all the defaults are fine. Next.
That's fine.
Yeah. Next. 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 Install. And then Cypher, could you send me your email address? I think I might have deleted the account. You can DM it to me if you'd like.
Can you see my screen? I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. I can.
Okay. So, which one do I select, or which one do I use? Or
look up static web app.
One next.
Once finish. You don't need that open. Click finish.
Finish, right?
Yeah, finish. What is this? Just press escape. I don't know what this is opening. Can you hear me?
Yeah. What do you say?
It says an HTML file. I guess Chrome. Click Chrome.
Chrome, right?
Yeah, Chrome.
Okay.
Okay.
And okay.
All right. Yeah, it's just okay. Close this. You don't need it.
I don't need it.
You don't need it. Just close this. Okay, go back to VS Code. You're gonna need to close and reopen this. What's that bottom right shield? I think it's trying to update your VS Code here. I can't see that for you, so I don't know what that is. Oh, close it.
I close it, right?
Yeah, you don't need this one. Yes. Okay, close and reopen this. Or click, wait, after, it says, wait. It says after installing, please, and there's a blue button there. On the left, where big, keep going left, down, a little bit down, up,
Reload.
Yeah, reload. Okay, so we don't need this for now. What we are gonna need is, okay, 1 second. All right, so you got that, hero. You're gonna create the repository. Okay, good. Yeah, that looks fine.
Actually, I'm not sure if I have an Azure account. I mean, this is a really old email account I have. So I'm just not sure if I have Azure. So.
No, it looks like you do. Because because it let you get this far. So that means you have it.
Maybe I have had this email for over 20 years, I think. So maybe I have done it somewhere.
Yeah, eventually. Or at some point.
Yeah.
Perfect. You could probably do the same cipher. Head over to... Oh, you got... Okay, so you have this one. So we're actually going to need a different repository. And then Cypher, I sent you an invitation link. That should be in your email address. Perfect. And then go to portal.azure.com. And then just sign in. Okay. So for you, Ezekiel, go back to Chrome.
The Chrome, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now go to that Microsoft link. No, it's like your second or third to last tab that you have on Chrome. Close that, actually.
This one?
Yeah, close it. You don't need that. Go to the link I sent you, which says build your first static web app. Sweet. All right. Yeah, you're making good pace. What's your real name, Yohiro?
Me, right?
Yeah. What's your real name?
My name is
Jonathan.
Yeah, my name is Jonathan.
Okay, because I hate calling people by like their name on here.
I understand. Yeah.
All right. So what this is gonna do, Jonathan, is otherwise I would have just had it just do a clone repo. This is gonna enable some GitHub action. So it's gonna set up an Azure DevOps pipeline for you.
Okay.
So once that's in there, anytime that you push something on that repository, it's gonna make a change on the static web app, and then you'll be able to see the changes after a minute or two once it accepts all the pushes. Okay, so scroll down, Ezekiel.
Okay.
You can pick, I don't know, React. It doesn't matter. click Vanilla Basic, the GitHub static web dev Vanilla Basic generate. That link there.
This?
Yes. Go ahead and sign in. And then name it whatever you want. You can call it Azure Static Web App or Azure Resume. Okay.
Hello?
So you have, Jonathan, you made the branch, correct?
Yeah. I'm actually creating the repository right now. I think I did it.
Yeah, it's there. Perfect. So now on the green, where it says code.
What? I'm sorry, where?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, just
Okay.
press the copy button. Perfect. Go to VS Code. It's the application VS Code. Do you have that?
No.
Okay, so go to chocolatey.org/install. It's going to be one of the links I have in the...
Let me see.
Okay.
Which one is it?
VS Code.
VS Code.
Space -y. Oh, you don't have Choco. Okay, so you have to install Chocolatey. So go to the...
Forget it. Yeah, this is a new laptop. I did that on the old laptop. Yeah, I have to do all over again.
No big deal.
I forgot.
Chocolatey makes it easy, so no big deal.
Yeah. I remember having a lot of issues with Choco. Well, when I was using Vanguard.
With what? I'm sorry?
Vanguard or the one for the VM?
Oh, Vagrant.
Vagrant. Yeah. Vagrant. Yeah, Vagrant. Yeah, that one. Okay, so I have to install Chocolatey.
All right. Cypher, can you max that out? It's like, are you on your phone or something?
No, I'm on my other screen that I have horizontal. Let me change my screen for a second.
What is that, like 4K?
I'll move to the... I have two screens. One is like horizontal, one is vertical. That's why.
No, but is it like a horizontal 4K or something?
I don't think it's 4K. This is an old monitor. I got like a Dell 5 something. I don't remember the...
Oh, sorry. I left you hanging, Jonathan. Just go and create this.
No, that's okay. I'm trying to install Chocolatey right now.
Sorry, I meant Ezekiel.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Just keep going. Just let me know if you have questions. Don't feel afraid to do anything. I want you to try and go ahead and break stuff.
Mistake. Can I create the repository?
That's what I mean. Is just get your hands dirty, man.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm on the portal. So what should I do next? I was busy signing up. Apparently, I don't have this email on Microsoft before.
No big deal. Okay, so go to subscriptions. I want to make sure that you have access to see. It's at the bottom. Navigate. Where it says at middle bottom.
False.
Right there. Perfect.
Yeah.
Sign in again. Why'd you do that? Why is it not showing up? What does it say?
Select your user account does not exist in tenant Microsoft service and cannot access the application. Let me go back to this window again. Maybe I have to redo this.
You might be on your personal tenant. Let me show you something. Close this or go to portal.azure.com. Okay. Ezekiel, keep going to the setup guide. You already have that. Okay. So you have this. Click the green code button.
This one?
Yes. Click the copy button.
Copy. This?
Yes. Go back to VS Code. Click clone repository. Control V.
Wow.
Control V. Enter. And then let's pick a spot for it. I don't like to put it in OneDrive because that messes all like version control messes with things, and you'll see all kinds of things. So you can put it on this folder. Put it in like a folder called Git or GitHub or something like that. So create a folder here somewhere.
You mean I should create a folder?
Yes. Right click a white spot on here. You can do it from there. Control V.
I can do it from there. Okay.
Okay. Scroll all the way down. Right click the white spot right there.
Okay.
New what is it? Oh, I guess you can't. What the hell?
New?
Yeah, new folder. Oh, yeah, you can. So type in GitHub. Double click that. Select as repository destination.
Okay.
Open. Yes, I trust the authors.
You want me to click this too?
No, just that one. Where it says install, click that.
Install.
Where it says, do you want to install the recommended dev containers extension? At the very bottom right. The very bottom right.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Install, right?
Yep. Okay, now go back on the top left. Click that. The files.
Files.
To the left. Click that. Yes. Explorer. You're looking for Explorer. So that's a magnifying glass, which is search. Well, you need an Explorer. No. You're still in the magnifying glass. You need to go back to your files. Perfect. Go to SRC.
SRC.
Mm-hmm. Index.html. Okay. Where it says on line 13.
This?
Line 13.
Yeah.
I can't see your mouse.
Oh. Maybe the network.
Can
you see it now?
No. Just get rid of the white area and just put your name, like Ezekiel.
And what else?
That's it. Save it.
I'm sorry, how am I going to save it?
Control S.
Control X.
Perfect. Press Control Z. You see we're on the file name where it says index.html.
Yes.
There's a white bubble.
No.
On the top in the top middle, you see that white bubble?
Yeah.
Move your cursor away from that.
it's showing cancel. Close.
No, don't close it. I'm just trying to show you something. That white bubble means that there's an unsaved change.
Okay. Unsaved. Okay.
And if you press Control S, try it right now. Oh, no, that's Control Z. Or I don't know what. Control Y.
Wow.
Do Control Y.
I don't know. Like the whole thing is just deleting. Can I start from the beginning?
Yeah, you can.
I don't want to save it now.
Don't save. Okay, open it back up.
And there's Ezekiel. It's saved. Like my name is there already.
Perfect. But I do want to show you something. At the bottom right, or sorry, bottom left where it says timeline.
Timeline.
Very bottom left.
The only thing I'm seeing right now is HTML number 17.
At the, I'm trying to show you how GitHub works, or VS Code, excuse me.
Okay.
Will you see the gear icon at the bottom left?
No.
Where's your cursor? I can't see it.
Can I just cancel it and re-invite you so that you can see it?
No, I see everything except I think it's because you opened this as an administrator. Anyway, it's not important. I was just going to show you how the timeline button works so that you can undo changes in case this happens where you want to revert a change.
What number is 8?
It's going to be outside of there. So, yeah, keep going left. Keep going left. Down.
Outline.
Yeah, and then under that.
Okay, timeline. Yeah, timeline.
Click that.
Okay.
This is going to give you history of everything you've done. So click initial commit.
Okay.
And then you see how it's line 13 is different from what you have?
Yes.
And now click file saved, which is right under that, above that. Yes. So if you ever want to go back, click that timeline button. Go ahead and click it. Again. Go to initial commit. Right click it, I think.
Right click, right?
Yes. Open changes.
Okay.
Click in the line 1. It doesn't matter. Anywhere. Cancel. Close it. Press Control A. Control C. And then close this tab.
Here, right?
Yes. And then open up HTML again. Click line 1. Control A. Control V. And then there, we've gotten all the changes we want again.
Okay.
So I'm just showing you how to undo something in case you need to do that on your end.
Wow, makes sense. Thank you.
So press Control Z. Control S.
XYZ.
Control S. Control Sierra. Okay, so now we're going to minimize this. Okay, you have Azure Resume. Alright, so Jonathan, my quick and dirty way of doing this, you can either clone this repository as well, or
Which one?
I think the one you go to source.
Oh, okay.
Actually go to Rashad's.
Okay, so I just installed VS Code.
Oh, okay.
So what do you want me to do with that, or because I was trying to follow the guide, but I don't see where VS Code
What? Oh, just
go.
Sorry, what point are you at right now? Can you open up VS Code?
Yeah, I'm just on the home screen, welcome screen, whatever. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so here
You're there.
I have my repository, my GitHub. Okay, I have the VS Code. So where do I go from? Where do I go from there?
Go to the source control button, which is right under the magnifying glass on the very left-hand side of VS Code. Click that. Perfect. So I think we can either use Chocolatey for Git for Windows. I think Chocolatey we can use, or you can just use the GUI and click that download Git for Windows, whichever you prefer.
What options? I'm sorry.
So you can
Git or what?
You can click the download Git for Windows right there, where it says, yeah, right there, or you can use Chocolatey.
Okay.
And it would just be Choco install Git.
I'm doing it right now with
the GUI.
Yeah.
All right.
The real way.
Cipher. Let me see here. So does not. What does it say? It does not what in tenant? Oh, exist in tenant. Needs to be added as an external user in tenant for. I don't think. Hold on. Maybe I didn't add you. Cipher from where you. Did I make you a guess?
I didn't realize I was in mute. So I was saying when you first invited me into this, I didn't realize that I didn't have a Microsoft account with this email. That might have been the issue.
No, that shouldn't be it. You should just be able to get in with your email address.
Mm-hmm.
What did you say? Groups groups cannot be added. Why not? You might already be in here, members. Yeah, it looks like you're in here already. Okay. Okay. You created the thing. You have Git now. You don't need. You only need it to type commands on VS Code. You don't need this window open. Okay, so have you created? Oh, click reload first, which is right under the big blue download Git to Windows. Right under that, the first reload, and then it should show up now. So now you're gonna need to clone the repository that you just created.
Okay. Let's see.
The green button code. Let's copy it. Perfect. Now go back to VS Code, clone repository, paste, enter, and then you can make a folder, GitHub if you'd like. Okay. Select. Open. Sweet.
That's it?
Not yet. So, have you created the Azure Static web app first yet?
I was doing that, but then I did the other stuff, the VS Code, the
okay.
Code, and all.
My bad. I set you off track.
No, it's okay. I actually did all that stuff. So yes, I just did. Okay, what do I do now? I have I already cloned it.
One sec. You've already cloned it. So now.
What is this?
Yeah, you can install it, I guess.
What is that for?
I don't know. You can ignore it if you'd like. I don't know what it's for. It just
Dev containers.
So
Okay.
VS Code will pick up things in the repository and it'll be like, hey man, you might need this. Do you want to install it? That's basically what it's saying.
Okay.
So
go ahead.
Go back to the doc. You've created the Azure Static Web App, and you're gonna need.
Let's see. No, I was doing that. Okay.
All right. So now, Ezekiel, the fun stuff.
Yeah.
Actually, let me get. I want you and Cypher to be on the same page here. So, selector account does not exist in tenant. Microsoft services account.
Do you want to try to invite me with another email address instead?
Yeah, let's do that.
Maybe, yeah. Let me give my main email address. 1 second.
Actually, I'm gonna have to create a Azure account. That's that's hard. Okay.
I just sent my email address.
All right. So how are you guys liking the class so far? Of course, always open to criticism. So let me know if this style of learning is for you.
Everything so far so good for me.
Yeah, for me, same here too.
Yeah, same here. I mean, I haven't been that active lately, but
me either. I'm like, you know what? I didn't finish this crap. I'm just gonna do the class. I've been playing this game called Deadlock, and I need to quit it.
Oh, me too, bro.
Oh,
it's really good.
It's so good.
It's really addictive.
Man, I started playing McGinnis.
Oh. Thing is that he's not even early access. Yeah, then. That stuff is crazy.
Yeah.
If only I had time to play games.
I don't. I've been playing at work, man. It's not good.
I finally got my hands on the PS5 like last month after all these years. Actually, no, 2 months ago. But then I still haven't had time to play even a single game. I just bought it.
Yeah, my fiance wanted to buy me a PS5. I'm like, don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Wait for the PS5 Pro.
No, I just...
it's so expensive.
Yeah, I know, expensive, right? And...
it's not worth it for me. I mean...
I just don't want to... Like, I want to build this Discord into something. So I'm just wasting my time on video games. I haven't made videos in a long time.
I mean, for me, I just have so many things on my plate, you know.
Oh, me too. I
got teaching and translation work and stuff like that.
I mean, I'm sacrificing sleep. That's how I'm doing it.
I totally get you. I probably just normally on average these days only like 4 hours of sleep. Crazy.
Yeah, it's the life of a parent.
So, Chris, answer one question.
Okay.
I created the Azure account. It's asking for the credit card and all that stuff. Is it going to charge me at some point, or?
Be careful with that. It shouldn't. But I have a video on how to set up budget alerts if you do get there.
Video for what? I'm sorry?
To set up budget alerts. So
okay. Okay. So I don't get over whatever.
Yeah, threshold.
Yeah, I get it. The opticals and all that stuff.
But I don't know. Did you set up for the $200 of credit?
Yeah.
Okay, so it shouldn't go over. I try to use I wish there was a way around it, but there isn't. Microsoft knows if I'm using a virtual card or not. I don't know if you've ever heard of the service called Privacy.
No, I haven't.
So Privacy, you can create a virtual credit card that you can, like, let's say you want to sign up for a free trial for something, like let's say LinkedIn. And you're like, you know what? I'm going to use Privacy and put my credit card on file because that's what they're asking for. And if it charges, so what? I put $1 on there.
Alright, so same thing is happening for the other account I have as well.
What the fuck?
So this one interaction required the portal encountered an issue while attempting to retrieve access tokens. We suggest attempting to sign in again, or alternatively, continuing without access tokens, although this may result in suboptimal user experience.
Do me a favor, click ignore. Ignore again. Go to your profile image thing on the top right. You're gonna have to be quick. Click switch directory. Okay. Go to subscriptions. There it is.
Okay. There we go. All right. There you go.
I don't know what that error was. Okay, so now go to settings. On the settings blade right here. Azure's UI is a little bit tricky. Go to settings. Down. resource groups, create, type in RG Robert Golf dash. I'll put dash. Put RG dash.
RG
I'll be off in another 20 minutes, okay, Andrew?
Yes. Look what I did.
I see it, Andrew.
That's what I put at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and then these are the ones gonna watch you.
Okay, thank you.
So you wouldn't feel alone.
Thank you, Andrew.
Don't break down.
Andrew, close the door. So I had a guest drop in.
Okay.
My TA. All right, so type in RG minus sign. Cipher.
Yeah, I did. RG minus.
Dude, it's so freaking small. Okay. Call it whatever you want. You can put cipher dash and then put the region WUS WUS and then click region. Wait. And then where do you think we're gonna put it?
My region, I guess.
Well, I put WUS. So just host it.
Okay, West US.
Yeah.
Which one? 2 or 3?
It doesn't matter. You could put in. Let's put it in. Let's see if there's a region for you. I would imagine South Korea. Let's see. Yes, please. Go ahead and find it. Let's see if there is a Korea region. Should be.
Yes, there is Korea Central.
Perfect. Let's make an abbreviation. I've never done this. I don't know what naming convention we could use. We could put
Or
core C.
Core C.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, instead of
So WS.
yeah, get rid of
Instead of WS, get Core C. Okay.
Perfect. Next, review and create,
Review and create.
and then create.
Okay.
All right. Now let me check over on. All right, Ezekiel.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have that. So go over to portal.azure.com.
Portal events, yeah.
Yeah, click create. So it looks like you guys are both on the same page now. So go to your resource group cipher. It's the core C.
Okay.
Click create. And then put close. Actually, you might be able to do it from. Go back to the link that I sent you guys for the instructions.
You mean this one?
The build your first.
This one?
Yes. Okay, yeah, just follow that. And then let me know. Okay, so go back to portal.azure. And then you're going to create a static web app. So you click that, search for static web apps.
Is this the link that you're talking about? The GitHub link? Is that the one that you're talking about?
No, it's going to be...
I joined in a couple of minutes late, so I might have missed it.
Oh, yeah, my bad. So it's at 5:56 p.m.
5:56 p.m.
Oh, I don't know. Ending in 56. Whatever time so that's gonna show up for you.
Is it the
quick start one?
Load
Load your first statistic web app?
Yeah.
Maybe.
This one, right?
Yep, that's it. And then
AI skill challenge. Okay.
oh, hold on, Ezekiel.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Click create. And then name it whatever you want, like resume website. Okay, so you're creating that. All right. Yeah. So RG dash, Jonathan RG dash. You can put Jonathan or whatever. You can even put RG dash resume.
This one, right?
No, I'm talking to Jonathan. Sorry. Dash.
Okay.
Dash, and then the location. So you can put WES or EUS or Central CUS. Now I'm teaching you guys these naming conventions because this is what I use at IBM.
Ooh.
Like if you have some kind of naming convention, it's gonna help you so much.
Okay.
All right.
And now, instance details, all the stuff.
You're gonna name it something like I don't know, Jonathan resume.
Oh, this is the website name?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
So what should I do now?
You can't put a space. Let's see here. Have you created static web app? Go back to the Azure. Scroll up. Go to the search. Type in static web. Enter. Yeah, right there. It's that first one. Correct.
Great.
Okay.
Publish it with the static web app too, or?
Yeah, go and create. That's fine. Alright, let me check out Ezekiel's. Scroll down. What you want to do is click free.
Free, right?
Yep.
This?
Free. And then let me get Cypher caught up.
Okay.
Are we doing this via GitHub, Azure DevOps, or other?
GitHub.
Azure? Yes.
We're gonna use GitHub.
GitHub? Okay.
Just
Send me a sign.
yeah, we're gonna do GitHub. So click sign in. Yeah, perfect. Authorize. Sweet.
Do I have a GitHub account?
Click select organization. Right there. Yep, yours. And look for the one that you Azure resume. Perfect. Main branch. Perfect.
Main, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then just review and create. Create. Application is source. So anything you put into source, the source folder is now going to get pushed over here. Go to resource. So you just did some cloud stuff, Ezekiel. Good job. You just created an entire website.
Wow. Congratulations.
Okay, scroll down. Go visit your site. Ta-da. Okay. Shit, what do we need to do? Go over to your GitHub repo or VS Code. Source. How do we do this again?
Source again, right?
Okay. 1 second. Go to style CSS.
What?
A style .css. Go back to index.html. Okay, let's go to the source control. I think it's because we need to make a change first. So, on the top left, keep going left, down, right there.
This?
Yep. And then let's type something like input in my name on line 8. Or line 8 change. Or, sorry, line 13.
Line 13 change.
Yeah, line 13 name added. Yeah, okay. Now, where it says the blue, don't click it, but on the check mark commit, click that. Yeah, more actions. Commit and push. Yes.
Would you like?
Or always. It doesn't matter. Okay, fuck. Hold on 1 second. Make sure you configure okay. Press close or cancel. Maximize this. Not make it bigger.
You mean the
VS
VS
Code?
Code?
Yeah, you're gonna need. Go to. How do you open? Where is it? Okay. At the top, where it says File, Edit, Selection, View, Go, Run. File.
This?
Yeah, on the right. Keep going right. You're looking for the 3 dots.
The three does, yeah.
Terminal.
Terminal, okay.
New terminal.
New terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Type in. What was the error again? Was it username or just?
I think username and email address.
Okay, so what is your? Do you know your username? So go to GitHub.
Okay.
Copy that. Copy that.
Okay.
Type in GIT Golf India Tango space Charlie. No, not H. No. Space. Charlie. Oscar.
Pause like A.
No. O as in Oscar.
Okay.
Niagara. N.
N.
A Foxtrot.
F.
India Golf. Space.
Configure.
Minus sign.
Okay.
Global. GLOBL. So GL, yeah. L. Space. User.name.
User.
Space. Single quote. No. Control Z.
Control Z.
Mm-hmm. Single quote. Instead of double, single. Which is right next to your enter button on the left.
This?
No, that's semicolon. Press backspace. Backspace again. Space. Backspace. Space. No. Backspace. Space.
Backspace.
Single quote. And then Control V. And then single quote again.
Okay.
Enter. What do you mean? Try to copy that.
You mean the error?
No, not the error. The line you just wrote, so we don't have to type it all out again.
Okay.
So to copy, you right click, which is a little weird. So right click it, perfect. You copied it, and then if you want to prove that you copied it, right click again. Did it work? Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so go over to PowerShell.
Okay.
Right click. Enter. Why aren't you working? What the heck? Close and try to open PowerShell again. I guess you could go to your Windows, type in Git. Fine, we'll use Git. Lazy VS Code. Enter. Right click. Paste. Enter. Yes. Why did it press up arrow?
Yes, right.
Press up arrow. Left, all the way to the global. And then you need one more minus sign.
Okay.
Enter. Perfect. So press up arrow. And instead of a username, put user.email. And then put your email address.
Okay. It's all right. You want me to press enter?
Press enter. Perfect. Now go back to VS Code, and we shouldn't get that error again. But first, I want you to understand what you just did. What you just did was you're telling Git, hey, whenever I do a Git push, I'm using this username as the identity to push to the repository. I know that's just remember that. That way, when you push it, it'll be like, okay, this guy is who he says he is because I have it configured here.
Oh, yeah.
So now, let's try it again. Commit and push. Yes. sign in with your browser. Authorize. So, okay, fine. Cancel. Sync changes, but you have to put a message in there.
Message here, right?
No. On the source control at the top left where it says sync changes, let's put like, yeah, save. Fine. Put sync changes.
Save, right?
And then click sync. Okay. Yes. Sweet. All right, let me get Cypher caught up.
All right.
So I'm not sure if I did this correctly over here, but
what did I do? I followed this to create repository over here. And I created it with my name, repository name, resume page.
Okay.
And I clicked include all branches. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do that, but I did.
It shouldn't matter.
Okay,
so now on static here, I picked resume page, and branch, I guess main.
Yeah, main's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Source is fine. Let's ignore that. Where did you pick if it was free or not?
I'm sorry.
Which did you already pick? If what version or SKU that you're gonna use?
No.
Okay, keep scrolling. I think, but this all looks good.
This is the end.
I think you did at the very beginning. Click next advanced. East Asia.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, maybe that's why. Go back. Let's not use Korea.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's right there. Free plan type right there.
Yeah,
free. Yes. I followed through with the free, and then I got lost at the GitHub because I had to create accounts.
Okay, so this should be fine, like this. Okay, review and create. And then create. Okay. I think this has everything it needs. Alright, so now I'll have you do the same thing, which is to make a change. Go to resource first. And then go to your site, scroll down a little bit. Visit your site. Perfect. This is your site. Okay, now let's go to VS Code. And then... Oh, okay. So minimize this. This is the global repository. You actually created one on your own now. So let's make a new window. So right-click VS Code at the bottom, at the very bottom. Down. The actual icon itself. On your Windows taskbar. Right-click. Right-click VS Code again. Right-click. Yes. Click that. Right-click it. Open new window. Okay. Space. Yeah. Clone repository, which is where it says start. Clone. But you need the link. Yeah, but you're gonna need that link. So go back to GitHub. You don't need this one for now.
What page?
You can close this for now. Okay. Was that it? Go to GitHub right there. No, that's not it. Go to github.com. Let's leave this open. You're going to need an Azure tab. So go back one. And then, yeah, go to GitHub here. Perfect. That first one where it says, I can't read it, but on the on the left, yeah, resume page, Lazy XOXO resume page. Click the green code button. Copy that. Go to VS Code. Go to clone. Control V, enter, and then you can make a. Oh, you have one. Okay, right. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. You need to make a new one.
Alright. So it's opened. Saved and opened.
Okay. So you might have to do the same thing Ezekiel did, but let's try it. Go to source. Go to index.html. And then line 13, let's change it to your name. Okay, now go save it, Control S. Go to source control, which is the left, the little branch right under the magnifying glass. Type in line 13 change. And then right to the right, the drop down arrow. What is it? Commit and sync.
Commit and
need sync.
Sync. Okay.
Yes.
Radio stage changes to commit. Would you like to stage all your changes and commit to them directly?
Just put yes. Okay.
Make sure you configure user.name and user.email in Git.
Yeah, you're gonna need to do the same thing Ezekiel did.
Okay.
So
what was that again?
So git config -- global space user.name.
Where do I hide that?
No. Go to on the top right where it says terminal, or sorry, top left. File, edit, right there. New terminal. Git config.
Okay. Git config.
Space -- oh no, it's not all one word. It's git space config.
Git space config space dash
global space
global
user.name user.name. I don't know. Oh, okay. Space single quote, which is right next to the. Oh, I don't. You have a Korean.
I got it. Single quote.
And then whatever your username is, and you can find that by going. It'll be like right here. I think it's Lazy XOXO.
It's Lazy XOXO. Should be. Let me just check to be sure. Yeah, Lazy XOXO. Single quote to close it?
Yes. Enter. And then up arrow. And then instead of name, put email. User.email. And then put your email. Enter. Okay. Commit and sync again. Okay. It freaking worked. Okay, so now we can see the action happen. Go over to Chrome. Oh, okay. Yeah. You gotta do all that. Dead life. Am I right?
Alright, so I signed in to get. I guess I synced it. I guess.
Jonathan, really quick. Let me show you the quick and dirty way on how I did this. On how I got.
Okay.
So I branched that guy's GitHub. So I forked it here.
Okay.
And once I forked it, I have what is it called? Azure Cloud Resume. And then what I did was I got these two folders. I go to Reveal in Explorer. I copied these two. And then I went to Reveal again. I went to Source. And then I just went like this and moved them over. Actually, I just did the whole thing. Like that. Did you get that, Jonathan?
Kind of. Thing is that when I tried to visit the website and deploy the web static app, it doesn't show the same as the other guys. So I don't know where I went.
Can you show me? Oh no, that looks good. Okay. So
Really?
no, that's better. If anything, that's what you want to see. Okay. So go back to VS Code. Go to your files.
Yeah.
Go to source. Go to index.html. Go to line 13, and that's what you're seeing there.
This is where I what?
That's.
this is what I see. This is what I see.
Yeah.
That's what I saw. Okay. That's what I saw. And to upload my resume and all
Well,
that
right
stuff.
now I'll show you how to change this. Just put in Jonathan on line 13.
Yeah.
Okay? Save it. And then you might have to do the same thing. Homie, use your keyboard. What's wrong with Control S?
I can't run command. So
all right.
I know
it's control S, but
I use a lot of commands.
I use a lot of commands.
I wasn't sure if
I wasn't
know.
sure if it was
if you play Deadlock, you know how to use commands. So I was like, what?
Yeah.
All right. Go to source control, which is under the magnifying glass on the left.
Yeah.
And then put a message there. On the left, up, higher, right there, up in the mess. Yeah, just type something. Line 13 change. You can start typing now. Not there yet. Cancel. Click the drop down arrow. Commit and sync. Yes. And you might get the same error. Yep, you did. Cancel. At the top where it says terminal, file, edit, selection, look for terminal. New terminal. And then you're going to need to do the command I sent to them, which is git space config space -- global space user.name space single quote, and then whatever your GitHub username is. If you don't know what that is, head over to GitHub. On the top right, the very top right, your profile picture. It's Hohiro84. Copy that. Or just type that in, whichever. Right click in the terminal. And then close the quote. Enter. Of course you don't. Open up git bash. But first copy that. So highlight all. Huh?
I did that.
Oh, that wasn't good.
I don't
all
know.
Over. Okay.
All over.
Copy this. That line. Right click. Okay, or that. Open up git bash. So press the Windows button. Right click. Or Control V. Enter. Why is there a remove that?
Yeah.
And then there's a minus symbol at the end. Okay, up arrow. Instead of name, type email. User.name, it's user.email. Email, and then put in your email address. Enter, yeah. Perfect. And then it should work now. Commit in sync. Yes. Okay, so I want you to go back to your GitHub repository. Oh, right. Sign in. Authorize. Now go to your GitHub. And then on where it says code, go to actions at the top left middle. The actions. I want you to see this in action. You see that?
Yeah.
This is an Azure, or this is a DevOps pipeline that you created.
Okay.
Any time that you do a push, it will grab your changes and push those changes up to the web app. So once this is done, that page will change as well.
Okay.
What happened?
I clicked something.
Okay, so
what else? I mean, I have this. So we're committed. Let me see. Git config load.
No, it looks good.
What is it? So.
What is it I did here? Is this for setting up my Git account with VS Code so that you know where the repositories?
This basically tells your VS Code. It grabs the Git for Windows application, and it tells it, hey, it's gonna run the command. If you go over to debug console, right next to terminal. Or output problems. Whatever. This is basically using Git in the background, and VS Code, the client, is sending commands to Git and using these things that you set up to send over to GitHub directly. Does that make sense? Probably not.
Yeah.
At 10.
But what
do I
need to do here?
Let's maybe it's done. Can you go back to the GitHub Actions? Click it. The actual title. Yeah, click it. What happened? What is it saying? The following. Build and deploy.
Node.js version.
What are you talking about? We copied directly from their thing. Ezekiel, can you go back to Chrome and then visit your site? It should be working now.
Yeah, it's working now.
With just my name.
Sweet.
With just my name.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we want. At this point, we can do what I mentioned, which is to add. What can I do?
I know you're tired.
No, I'm just trying to think here. I guess I'll just send you guys my. Is it in source? Hi, Andrew. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the chat. No, I don't want that. Okay, go ahead and download that, guys. Continue. Yeah, it's a zip file, so that you typically don't want to do that, especially if it's code. But anyway, go to the destination. Completely ignore what I just said and just open.
Yeah. Just trust us.
Yeah, just trust me, bro.
Trust the process.
Trust the process.
Go back to the destination where you downloaded it from.
You
Press Control J.
here.
No. Okay. Go to downloads.
Me?
Yes.
Me?
Or yeah, level up. So you have this PC, downloads, and then source.
Yeah, I have it already. Yeah, I have it already.
Click it. Control C.
Control C.
Control C. Now go back to VS Code. And then go to your files, which is above the magnifying glass.
This file. This file.
No, right above the magnifying glass. Left, yeah, right there. Up. Just one more icon above that. No, the folders, the little papers.
Papers.
The icon above the magnifying glass.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Perfect. Click it. Okay. Right click source.
Okay.
Hello.
Just stop. Alright. Right click and then reveal in File Explorer. Review. Oh, yeah, right there. And just. Okay. Click and Control V.
Click the source, right?
No.
Click the source, right?
We want to replace that entire folder.
Okay. Control A.
Control V.
I'm pasting.
30?
Control
30.
Yes, replace. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now go back to source on VS Code.
Okay, on VS Code.
And then go to assets. Do you have a resume of your own?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So you see, this is all my stuff. We're just gonna have to replace Christian resume with something else. So you can go to your go to your resume.
Yeah, this is my resume.
Okay, make it something simple. That's a simple like Ezekiel resume. Can you make it one word? I don't know how that's gonna work. Like Ezekiel dash resume. Backspace dash, yeah. Enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now click and drag it to the assets folder.
Drag it like this?
Yes.
Drag it like this?
Right there, perfect.
Yeah, right?
Yep.
Yeah, right?
And then delete my resume. Delete. Perfect. Yes. Now let's go back to index.html.
Index.
What did he say? What did he say? What did I say, Dada?
You put figure.
No, again.
No, you were at the right spot. Right there.
That
Perfect.
one.
So now change anything where you see Christian Alejandro Felix over to your name.
Okay.
So press Control F.
Control F.
Type in Christian space Felix. Oh, that's Christine. space FELIX.
FE.
Yeah. Okay, now press the arrow right next to the on the left, right next to the search on Control F.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Press Control F again. Where the text box. You see the text box on the little arrow.
Yeah.
It looks like this. Click that.
Yeah.
Wherever you're typing, there should be an arrow that looks like that in the text box.
Yes.
I can't see your cursor, but you're gonna have to.
Can you see you now?
No, it's because you're.
But do you just want me to remove your name?
Yeah, but showing you something with GitHub that's fast. Click that.
Let's see. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, replace.
Yeah, type in your name. Space, yeah. And then on the right, you see the ABC. You want to click this one.
The ABC, right? The ABC, right?
This one. The second one.
Replace.
The second one. Enter, stop. Enter.
Come on, Andrew, come help me. Okay.
Click that.
Okay.
Alright, now type in at the top where it says Christian Felix, type in the word
Okay.
.pdf.
.pdf.
Okay, so now you want to replace that with, instead of Christian resume, with your file name. So which is under assets, the assets folder. On the left hand side, look at the folders where it says all the way to the left. Keep going left. Yes, assets.
This?
It's going to be, yes, Ezekiel dash resume.pdf. So replace 87, line 87. Instead of, on line 87, you see Christian resume.pdf.
Yes.
Change the name from Christian resume to Ezekiel dash resume. On line 87, go click on line 87.
This space.
Right after it says assets, replace the word Christian resume with the file name. Perfect. Save it.
Okay. Enter, right?
No, nothing. You just save it. You don't need to push enter.
Save.
Okay, now we're going to push this up.
Okay.
Go to your branch. Down. Up. Source control. Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes, right?
Click that. Let's put added assets and code.
Added assets and code.
Yes.
Added assets and code.
So, commit and push.
Commit.
And then I gotta get going right after this, guys. Okay, so go back to GitHub. This is going to take a little bit for it to push everything. Go to actions.
Actions.
Yep.
This.
And then once that turns green, you're ready to go. It should show up.
Ready?
All right.
Okay. I tried to follow all this. But it is still failing. I mean, on that spot. Instead of yellow.
Oh, you need to put a message. That's it. Just put changes. I don't know.
What?
On line 1, type in the word changes.
What do you mean?
Just type in. Click on line 1.
Okay.
Changes.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Save it.
Yeah, but it's still committing for a while.
Just put in the message then. Maybe it should work then. So under source control where it says message, control enter to commit.
Wow, your name is still showing.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change it everywhere you see it. Let me see. Okay, go back to your. But still, look at that. You did that on your own. Check that out.
Yeah.
Okay, so now scroll down. Ezekiel?
Down.
Yes.
Yeah, down.
Click download resume.
Wow.
And how long did that take? You went from not knowing anything.
Yeah.
To hosting this on a website.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You didn't even know what how to use Git.
I don't know nothing.
It's not. Yeah.
Still don't know how to use Git.
My point is, people get daunted by like cloud and this and that, but just get your feet your feet wet and it'll just come. Okay, so go to the message, Jonathan. Can you close the commit message file, the tab? The commit. Yeah, type in change right there.
It's not letting me.
It's not. Close that tab that you have open right now.
Changes.
And then Ezekiel, if you don't mind me asking, are you Nigerian? One of my coworkers.
Yes, I am.
One of my coworkers is Nigerian.
Yes. Wow, that's good.
From Texas, I think.
From Nigeria. What?
He's from Texas, or he lives in Texas.
Wow, that's good.
His name's. He's actually in the Discord. Osas.
That name sounds Nigeria.
Osasamulin. I don't know. But everybody calls him Osa. Okay, did that work?
What do we know? No.
Alright, why are you not working? Commit and push. Yes, you do. Click yes. Okay. Why does it? What the hell's going on?
I don't know.
I've never seen two of those before.
Two of what? Oh, these ones?
Two of what?
Yeah.
Oh, these ones? Oh, I know.
Where did you get this laptop from? Did you buy it in Tijuana or what?
No.
No.
No, I just bought it then.
No, I just bought it then. It's a Lenovo actually.
Okay, it looks like something went through.
Okay,
let me go check the GitHub.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it might have been when we first created the. What does it say?
No URL found.
No URL found for some module path. Something.
I think it has to do with something with the permissions. So if we might have to create the repository all over again.
This is something about the Git
modules.
But I'll give it another 2 minutes, guys. My family's gonna kill me if I don't get back to that.
That's okay.
That's okay.
We can try this another day.
But do me a favor, if you can create another repository, because there should have been like a button to like authorize web apps. Did you do this?
No. I think I skipped it. I never touched anything
about authorize.
Yeah, because without that, it's not going to have permissions to connect to Azure. And
I did see a list of repositories. That's why I didn't do the tab, because my repositories they did pop up. So
maybe, do you see something like right here, deployment history? So if you go back to Azure, this might pop up.
Yeah, I'm there.
Deployment history. Yeah, it links there, but does it have permissions? I would just start over, honestly. Go to settings or manage deployment token. Maybe that's it.
Where?
Go back to Azure.
Where?
Click Got to close.
Mm-hmm.
Click
Where?
management token. Management deploy at the top. Go to settings or automation. Go to settings. Yeah, I don't know. What's the error? What does it say?
No URL found.
For module path. My first static web in Git modules.
And the other one is
the process. User bin Git fell with exit code 128.
And I also have a couple of warnings.
Let's go back to the Microsoft documentation. Is this thing still recording? This is the best class I've had. Every single time it's been a disaster. My laptop overheats.
Yeah.
Something shuts off.
Your mic isn't going bonkers right now.
Okay, what do you want to check here? What do you want to check here?
Scroll up. More. Let's just create another one. Maybe it'll give us something. Or scroll down. Where is that file? Right there. You may authorize Azure.
Hey Chris, I need to go.
Hey Chris,
so
I need to go.
So
for my stuff, I guess we can handle it.
Yeah,
next time.
if you have time during lunch, I'd really want to make sure you guys have something because I feel like this is important for you guys to have.
Probably next session.
Probably next session.
Okay.
Then.
Either that or we can.
I need to get to work.
Yeah, because I need to get to work.
Either that or send a message on. Man, I'll open a channel or something just so you can troubleshoot. We can troubleshoot from messaging.
Well, yeah, I mean, like in the case I'm still at
the part where
I
just got the
global username,
execwork, so user with that email, and I source control, commit, and push open is what I did, and then you wanted me to.
And then that's where we ended.
Where we ended before you switched over.
Okay, perfect.
I'm still quite far
in the back. But I did download the file that you gave, so I have it. I have that in case.
Oh, perfect. So just it's fine. I'll give you some instructions.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, so go to GitHub, and then go to Settings, Applications. Go back. No, sorry. Go back one page on the page you were on. Go to your profile image. Or settings? Is it? Yeah, go to your profile image. And just hover over it. Or click it. There should be a settings button. Settings. And then what did it say? Authentication? Or what was it?
I don't know anymore.
Go back to Microsoft again.
The URL. Repository.
No, it's not going to be repository. It's going to be like OAuth applications or something like that. I don't remember. Can you go back to the? Can you go back to the page? Okay, it said settings applications. You were right. My bad. Settings applications. Where's applications? Down there. And then it was what? No, go back to it again. Microsoft. And then select authorized OAuth apps. Authorized OAuth apps. And then how do we add it?
Okay. I'm there.
Select
Azure Study Web Apps. And then select Grant.
Azure.
I don't see that. I don't see that.
Yeah, so that's what's going on here. I think you have to create a brand new one. A brand new static web app.
Another one.
Yeah, just create another one. Go back to. Just delete this one or create a new one, whichever. Create a resource.
This is the one that I created.
How do I
click it, and then delete at the top middle. And then let's create a new one. Azure Static Web App. No, you had it right. I think.
No, this is not the static.
Click.
There you go.
Create. Okay. Right there. Name it. Click free. Select an organization. Yes. Cause that's fine.
So I need to choose
It doesn't matter.
A framework or
we can always change that. Neck advanced.
That's it, right?
Dang it! Why isn't it show? What the hell? The repository itself should have. GitHub. I think it has to do with the repository. I think you have to create a brand new one again. Go back to the start guide. Scroll all the way up. Click create a repository right there. Just put test. Create. Settings. Did that show up now?
What, the new repository?
Yeah, it should show up now. Anyway,
No.
Go to test. Okay.
There you go. Advance. Now.
Review and create. Man, you must get unlucky with these.
I don't know.
Try and create. Okay. What the hell, man?
Exactly this happened when I was creating the cyber lab. I was bug after bug after bug after bug. Man, it was really crazy. Like right now, I installed chocolate like that. When I first tried to do it, oh my god, I had almost 2 hours trying to install that.
Oh my god.
And get GitHub to work on PowerShell. And now he just.
And now we have a different problem. Now that it doesn't matter.
These are different laptop, but yeah. Okay. Oh, there you go. I know, but
Yeah.
I need to copy all your files and do everything that you told me. Yeah, I'm gonna do that on my own. Don't worry about it. But at least we got you.
That's a huge.
I was already there.
I was already there, but yeah. For some reason, let me see. GitHub. What is this shit? Well, no, it doesn't like me.
You're on the old repository. So you have to clone that one and do that all over again.
Yeah.
So go test. I mean, this is tech, man. You try a bunch of, and then it just works. Okay, so open a new window on VS Code. Clone. Clone right there. Control V. Okay. I guess. Yeah, replace it. Fine. Okay. Now let's sync. Or just make a small change. Any kind of change. There's no changes, so it's not gonna let you push anything.
So what do I do to change?
So what do I do to
line
change
13.
Or what? Oh,
line 13.
Okay.
And then Ezekiel, can you share that app again?
What?
Oh, sweet.
What?
Okay.
What is it? What is it?
I just wanted you to show the completed product.
Okay. I'm trying to edit. I just edited this. Okay. Now it's working out. I'm almost.
Oh,
done.
so you're making edits?
Yes, but I still have the lead, the cloud engineering. I don't know why the last one is not changing. The about me.
About me.
About me, yeah. I've been changing and changing.
So go back to your files, to assets. On the files. On VS Code. Go to VS Code.
VS Code.
Which is where you're making the changes from.
Yeah.
The application at the bottom.
This one.
I don't. Am I? Oh, I'm looking at Jonathan's. That's why. Okay. Go to style.css. It might be in there.
This? Okay, this. This? Okay, this. One.
And then or go back to index.html. Right there. Okay, and then look for DAD or something. DAD. Okay, that's not it. Cloud Engine or Cloud Engine. Look up Cloud Engineer. Cloud Space Engineer. Okay, so it might be under style.css or styles.
I think it's here, the title.
Or go to the magnifying glass. I want to teach you a trick.
Where?
The magnifying glass?
Where? The glass.
The magnifying glass. The icon on the left?
Oh, this one?
No.
Oh,
on the very
one?
left. The very, 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 very left. Down?
Okay.
Yes, right there.
Okay.
Search. The magnifying glass. The magnifying glass.
Okay.
The icon above that.
Okay. This one?
No, the icon above the one that you're on currently. Right there?
This one?
Yes. Down. Down. No. Go back. Go back to where you were. Right there. Up. Right there. Okay, type in what you're trying to place. What was it, Cloud Engineer?
Yeah, Cloud. Yeah, Cloud. Oh, this one. Oh, this one.
Yeah, so it's in there. So that's what you need to...
Index.js.
So look for it in there and you can change it there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, I really gotta go. I'm gonna get killed tonight. Sleeping on the couch tonight.
Thank you so much.
Go and change this. I just want this to be in the recording.
Okay.
Well, see you guys. Thank you.
See you guys.
Yeah, keep in touch. Let me know if you need anything.
I was thinking about reaching out to you maybe tomorrow. I'm trying to tweak my resume a little bit. So maybe if you can give me some
we got that
feedback.
channel for it. But yeah, if you feel more comfortable sending it to me directly, that's fine too.
Whatever. I mean, I don't mind.
Whatever. I mean, I don't mind.
Either
I can do it on the chat if you want.
I can do it on the
Okay.
chat if you want, or whatever.
Scroll down, Ezekiel. No.
No.
Because you still have coffee enthusiast. Keep going. Delete line 30 and 31.
Yeah, I'm a dad.
Oh, I'm a dad. Okay. Do you like coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, then just save it and push it.
Yeah. Can I save it like this? Or
Yeah.
Can I save it like this?
I mean, I'm gonna yell at you for saving it. Like, what is that? Use your keyboard, man. Okay, now push it up. You gotta put a message first, otherwise it's gonna yell at you too. And I won't be the only one.
The name.
Job title, or that's fine.
Push.
Okay. All right, I'll be right back.
What?
I'll be right back. Like 1 minute.
Okay.
Now the only thing is, you see on the top left-hand side where it says CAF. Yeah, that's my initials.
Yeah.
So you would probably want to do EA or something.
Okay. Okay.
So look up, use the magnifying glass trick I showed you. Type in CAF. Right there. There you are. Click that. And then replace line 25 with EA. Okay, now save and push. And there you go. Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
Wow. Makes sense. Wow. Makes sense. Wow. But the name is still there. But the name is still there.
Oh, because it has to go through all the GitHub stuff. Remember?
Okay. Yeah.
So and then you have go and refresh this. It might just take a minute or two.
Let me do it like this.
Go back to GitHub, and once that turns green, go to your repositories, go to Azure Resume, go to Actions.
Action.
Okay, now it's done. Now refresh that page.
Wow. Everything is set now.
Yep.
Everything is set now. I just need to change the website because I don't have no website.
Yeah, you
because I don't
you
have
can
no
just
website.
you can get rid of that line. But you
But
know,
do I really need websites for something like this?
Just get rid of that line.
Website already. Okay.
Anyway, thanks for joining me, Ezekiel.
Thank you so much.
We work off donations, so I'll send a link if you're interested. Just there's no limit or minimum or anything like that. Just pay what you think, and you won't hurt my feelings if you don't.
Okay.
But
thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you
I hope
so
this
much.
helps.
Can I also share my resume?
Yeah, go ahead and put that over in the resume building.
Okay.
And then, of course, put that here.
Okay, I'll do that.
Anyway, thanks, Ezekiel, for joining.
Thank you so much.
I'll be hosting more of these on Thursdays.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.